Always a car guy, just could never really afford it. So now that I'm older, I can afford to do the things I want to do. My name's Todd Steinmetz, Bowling Green LS Fest. I'm from Alexandria, Kentucky, just south of Cincinnati. What would you like to know? It's a 85 Chevette, 346 bone stock, LS1 bottom end. It does all right for what it is. It's just over 2,000 pounds, so doesn't need a whole lot of horsepower to pull that weight. So far my best is a 1041 at 128. It was a little skatey at first, but once I got the alignment down and all that stuff, it's not too bad. The first 330 is not the best, but it gets going pretty good. I've only had it for a couple years. Just bought it as a little driver and decided to put an LS1 in it, and ran an 11.3 right out of the box with a bone stock engine and a 4L60. And I just decided I wanted more, so out came the engine and a little rebuild and power glide. Future goals is chop the floor out, do a better floor, move the engine back about 8 inches, and do a single turbo, 600 horsepower. That should be plenty for me. I came last year, didn't bring the car. It wasn't, really legal, so I just drove it down and just spectated. So this is going to be my first year actually driving down the track.
Awesome. And what class are you running?
Just a grudge test and tune. Just see what kind of times I can run on a good track.